Does OSHA requiring documentation of compliance on construction sites? Are you curious about whether the Occupational Safety and Health Administration requires documentation of compliance on construction sites? Let's break it down in a straightforward way. Yes, the Occupational Safety and Health Administration does requiring construction employers to keep documentation that shows they are following safety regulations. This documentation is essential for ensuring a safe work environment. First, if a construction company has more than 10 employees, it must keep records of work-related injuries and illnesses. These records must be maintained for at least 5 years and be available for inspection by the Occupational Safety and Health Administration or employee representatives. Minor injuries that only requiring first aid do not need to be recorded. However, serious injuries like hospitalizations or amputations must be reported to the Occupational Safety and Health Administration promptly. Next, construction employers must create and maintain site-specific safety plans. These plans identify potential hazards on the job site and outline the measures taken to control those hazards. This documentation serves as proof that the company recognizes and addresses safety risks. Regular safety inspections are another key requirement. A competent person, trained to identify hazards, must conduct these inspections. Documenting these inspections helps demonstrate that the company is actively managing safety on the site. Other important records include training attendance, the issuance of personal protective equipment, accident reports, and communication about safety procedures. Keeping these records organized and accessible is vital for compliance. Additionally, the Occupational Safety and Health Administration requires certain safety signs and notices to be posted on construction sites. These signs serve as visible reminders of safety protocols and help communicate hazards to workers. From a career perspective in construction, maintaining accurate documentation is not just about following the law. It is also about protecting workers and avoiding costly penalties. Good record keeping reflects a company's commitment to safety and can improve the overall safety culture on the site. This commitment can lead to better career growth opportunities for safety professionals and site managers. In summary, the Occupational Safety and Health Administration requires construction employers to document compliance through various records. This includes injury and illness records, safety plans, training records, inspections, and reporting severe incidents. Proper documentation is a fundamental part of managing safety on construction sites and is critical for anyone pursuing a career in construction safety or site management.